Hey everyone, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this episode, I'm working on a 4x5 winter-themed mini album, and this page will have a journal spot that I created with stamps, dies, and a stencil. I'm using the digital version of the scrapbook collection, The Magic of Winter by Echo Park, and if you haven't watched the video where I put this album together, I encourage you to check the link in the description box below. So this is the second actually the first full page spread. It's not connected pages, but the way that it will work is like a book in the end, even though it's an accordion fold album. And so this is the first basically double page that you will see from the album, depending on which way you flip the pages, obviously, because the album will in the end go in both ways. So I am always putting just some pattern papers that I printed and then cut as the background, and then I am working from there. So here I have a photo and I have a die cut frame. So I make sure that the photo has the same size as the frame so that it matches. And then I created this stamp with a die and some stamps to have this phrase. And then I'm starting to decorate it. These are also the little penguin that you see there is also a die cut set with a stamp. And then I have the ice skates that I can also add to my little page there. I am using the digital version of this. Obviously there are physical products available of this collection, but for me it's easier to get digital because that way I can make sure everything is sized in the right way, and it works out just fine for me. When I print them though, I make sure that the papers have a size of 6x6 before I put them in the right size that I need them for my project, but I guess the ratio would be a 6x6 paper, so it would match a 6x6 paper pad, which I'm sure is available of this collection. So now I am done with decorating this page where the photo takes center, and then I have created this journal spot. So for that one I used just plain white cardstock, same as the rest of the album. And then I went ahead and die cut. I decided, or I discovered with my die cut machine, you can't really call them machines because mine is manually run, but I've discovered that if I stamp first, it really soils my plates, and the ink gets onto the plates even if I wait a little while and stuff, and I'm usually not patient enough. So what I usually do is I die cut my pieces and then I stamp. And so this is a die cut set that has it's just like a label set, and so it has the label, but then the journaling lines I just used a stencil. I have a whole bunch of for journaling, junk journals, this kind stencils, and so I wanted to add some lines to my label because I know I won't be able to write in a straight line. And so once I've done that, now I can add everything to my page, and then you see I have a little snowflake die cut piece, and then there is a cork piece where I stamp on a cork and have that die cut as well. So obviously I die cut first before I stamp. So now here is my finished page spread, and you can see some more of the close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.